We're making traditional green bean casserole with bacon. Start out by cooking your bacon lardons, about 5 or 6 strips of bacon cut into small pieces. And you're going to get them to where they're, crisp. Drain off all the oil and set aside. Now I use steamed green beans here, and I added my bacon to it. And then we added this cream of mushroom soup, the milk, soy sauce, and the French fried onions. We're going to stir all that together and get it all nice and combined. Just keep stirring it until it's all good and mixed in and got those beans and stuff coated just like this. And then we're going to transfer it to our baking dish. I'm using aluminum here because I don't want a whole lot of dishes after Thanksgiving. This was my Thanksgiving side, or one of them. Spread it all out and make it nice and even. Now we're going to bake this in the oven until it's nice and bubbly and hot, and put the remaining cup of French fried onions on top. Put it in there just long enough to get those nice and golden brown. And here it is, that wonderful green bean casserole. I have a link to a printable recipe in the video description, but I'm going to go ahead and show this recipe to you right here, right now. I'd like to thank you for joining me here in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.